Look at that. Almost right on the surface, and I reckon that's going to be a really nice old double loop buckle. Morning folks, good news, I have fixed my detector. I've made a repair to it anyway. So last weekend it snapped right there where the control box connects it to the arm here. So I've used some milliput to sort of hold it, because when I spoke to the guy I got it from, it wasn't covered under warranty. Surprise, surprise. So my thoughts are that if this doesn't hold, then I'll send it down to get repaired. It's, you know, what's the difference between sending it down before you've tried to fix it yourself or after? If it's not covered by warranty, you're still paying for it anyway. So hopefully this will last today. We're going to do this bit of ploughed field. I'm not allowed to do, how do I explain it? He's gone up and down this way, from there to there, all the way down. I can do that. The rest of the field he's gone a different way. He doesn't want me doing that. I hope that makes sense. Right, anyway, I'll come back with the first signal. Okay, there's the first signal. It's just a bit of lead, but it's old white lead, so I suppose that's a good sign. Next signal, I thought that was the barrel of a little toy cap gun when I first dug it out, but it's not. I don't know what it is. Any ideas? Absolutely roasting, by the way. I think I'm going to have to take my jumper off. We're meant to get 20 Celsius today. Woo! Woo! That's probably a cold day somewhere in like Arizona or something, but see when you're just coming out of winter, 20 Celsius is hot for me. Anyway, there we go. What's this? Next signal's pretty much a surface find. Right there. Looks like lead. It is lead, but what is that? Looks like a hinge sort of. Jeez, I've no idea what that is. It is made of lead though. Heavy. Okay, there's the next signal. It is broken into two. It looks like a badge or something. You can just see detail there and words going round there. That looks like an A to me. Possibly a G there. Yeah. A badge, I think, or a mountain, possibly. Yeah, it's a shame it's bust. There we go. Another surface find, a little glass stopper. That's nice. There we go, a glass bottle stopper. Perfect condition. And a little air bubble right there. Right, I think I know what this might be. I think that's a toy wheel. Yep, that is a toy train wheel, I think. Aye, definitely. Found a few of these recently for whatever reason. There you go. Toy train wheel. Okay, I think we've got a button. That's what I think that's going to be. Excuse me. Doosh. Yeah, still got the... my god. Still got the shank on the back. Sorry, I've got a cold again. It's a button with the shank on the back. Oh, is that a little bit of don't think it's gilded. Right, sorry, I had to clear my throat. I've cleared the button as well, there we go. Nothing on the front. Why did they bother decorating the back of buttons? Nobody's ever going to see that side. Anyway, nice find nonetheless. Right, I'm going for a drink of water. Just looking at it again. That bit of corrosion there almost looks like a guy's head. Don't know if that's just coincidence, but you know what I mean, it looks like there might be something on that side. A little dot there. Have a look at this. We've got a buckle. It flew out of the hole there, pinged out. Ooh. Now, is that a buckle or a bit of horse tack? I'm not sure. Either way, it's a buckle, right? Really nice. Do you know what? I think that might be horse tack. Yeah, I think that's what it is. But either way, that's a nice find. Just found this little lead disc, and it's almost like someone started to make a circle on that side, and on the other side, same thing. Not sure what that would have been. It's got a little lip on it there. Oh well. Next signal. Now how can that not be a coin? Oh, it's a modern 50p, I think. Yeah, 1983 50p. Spendable, so not a problem, we don't mind. Not too sure what this is. Best guess, it almost looks like a tiny penknife, a little pocket knife. See, that could be the blade. I'm not sure. Could be a pocket knife. Next signal is a tiny bullet. Well, it's nice to do a ploughed field for a change, because everything's quite easy to dig up. A lot of this stuff is just an inch or two under the surface, being brought up by the plough. Makes life easy. However, tons of hot rocks and deep iron maybe balances it out a bit. Look at that. I think that's another buckle. Oh, it is. Or horse tack, what do you think? I'm not sure, but either way I like finding these, even if it is horse tack. Very nice. No idea how old that would be. It doesn't look like it's ancient, it looks maybe 1900s, maybe even more modern, I don't know. Nice. Right, I've just come off the field there into this little clearing right at the edge, and we've got a coin sticking out there, and that looks really nice. That's a penny. What date have we got there? Right, I'm gonna give it a quick clean. Oh, it's not Victoria. George V, but look at that. That's really good quality. Shiny and green. 1921, I think it says. Beautiful. I love it when they look like that. There you go. Right, that sounds decent. Give me 2 minutes while I dig this up. We're still at the side of this field at the moment. Wait a minute, it's not that, is it? No. Right, hold on, 2 minutes. There it is. Looks interesting. What is that? What is that? Just a broken off bit of something. I have no idea. I mean, it looks nice. It looks like it's something. A bit of furniture decoration or something, maybe. Alright, okay. Right next to that coin that I dug up a minute ago. Where is it? Ah, that just looks like a black hole at the moment. Hold on. It could be another buckle. I'm hoping there's a big bar right in the middle of that. Yes, yes! Now that. Oh, it's still got the little bit in it. Yes, so. Oh, that is a nice buckle, look at that. Why have I found so many buckles today? Oops. Oh. Oh. Was that just a bit of mud? I think I might have just broken the little... Right, no, it wasn't the bit in the middle, it was just a bit of mud there, but still, look at that. How old is that then? I should be able to find that out when I get home. There we go. Okay, there's the next signal. What is that? That is not another buckle. No way. No, it's not. It's one of them. Right, see that? That's the sort of thing that could easily be medieval or Roman. Not a clue what it is, but it does have that look about it, doesn't it? That looks old. Right, a surface fine. I know it's only a nail, but that's old. Square sort of shape to it. I think I've only ever found one or two of these square nails before. Ooh, the sunshine. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. That could be old as well. Look at that. Almost right on the surface, and I reckon that's going to be a really nice old double loop buckle. No, it's not. That's a shoe buckle, I think. That is a... What's that? Early 1800s? Middle 1800s? I don't know. Oh man, that was like that. Couldn't have been any easier. That's really nice. Yeah, I'm going 1800s for that. It could be a bit earlier, but I don't think so. And I think it's a shoe buckle. Look at that. Right. A button shaped thing now. I think. Oh, is that a pattern? Oh, it is. That looks like a pattern on the front. Oh, very nice. Look at that. A massive button with a shank on it, and I think what might be a pattern. Oh, really nice. Right, 2 minutes. I'm just going to clean it up. I want to see what that is. Oh, that could be 1700s. I don't know. Why did I say that? It's got that sort of shank on it. Okay, let me clean this. I want to see what pattern we've got here. 2 minutes. Right, giving a little bit of a polish. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Maybe a crest. Beautiful. I'm going to take a gamble, right, and I'm going to date that as before 1850. In fact, not. I'm going to go before 1830. What do you think? How old is that? And what is it on the front there? Look. Look. What is that? Nice. Right. We've got a coin-shaped thing there. Oh, it's another button. Buttons and buckles today. Oh. Now, was that blank or did that have something on it at one point? Oh, right, okay. It's one of them. Do you know what? It almost looks like a George III penny or something. There we go. Another button. Alright, I am done. Here's our selection of stuff for the day. Our goods, loads of buckles, buttons, a coin, glass stopper. Loads of stuff. Right, enjoy your Easter Sunday if you celebrate it, and I will see you the next time. Enjoy. 23 Celsius it got up to today. What a day. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'll see you next time. Cheers.